Right, experiments number 2. We're all up for experimenting in this house. So I've looked online for a tortilla chip that can be made out of tortillas. Now, now Mark has decided that he doesn't want a Dorito shaped tortilla. He wants a square one.
Oh, I'm just saying because.
Okay, Mark.
Because of how long they'll be, they'll.
Do I just go up and up and up and across, and cross?
Yeah.
Okay, into 3, basically. Right, then you says a pizza roller.
Yeah, it should be good enough.
So let's try it. Okay. I'll let you off. And we're just heating up some oil on the stove.
And by the way, because it is a tortilla, you still want to get your Dorito shapes out of it as well. You get different types.
You are, yes. So we've got 3 tortillas.
Should essentially just make a bag of Doritos. You don't get many.
I think it's gonna make more, don't you? So yeah, what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna keep on the side as our thermometer, because you don't want to just.
Or just rip a corner off it.
Exactly. So you just don't want to chuck them in and they decide not to crisp up.
Exactly.
So we're gonna.
Oh, got water on there.
Wait for the oil to heat up, and then we'll get cooking. So while the oil is heating up, we're going to decorate our sauce.
Cheese first, then bacon on top.
Oh, got the chef. Who's the chef, me or you? Right.
I'm just putting my suggestions out there.
We're going to add our lovely cheese. Would you like anything else on the top, Mark?
No, I think cheese and bacon should be good enough.
Cheese and bacon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the cheese all nice and melty.
And the bacon a bit more crispier.
Yeah, whack it in the oven a bit.
Okay.
I reckon that'll make a really good dip.
That is the remainder of the cheese. And then we just pop on the bacon bits. I'm jealous. This is my love for, you know when you've got a love for cheese, mine's bacon.
Don't get me wrong, I love my bacon as well.
Cheese and bacon is just like heaven.
Oh god, yeah.
Oh, what a good combination.
Well, cheese and meat in general.
Bacon. I don't think I'd have cheese and beef.
Oh, what? Brisket?
Anyway, off the subject. So this is going to go into the oven.
Right, it's in the way.
Oh, sorry. This is going to go into. Sorry, this is going to go into the oven to warm through, and then let's wash my hands.
And then we'll cook the chips.
Okay, right. Can you see this, Mark? So what we did? Can you see it?
There we go.
So we've done bite-sized pieces because we did do a sample, didn't we, Mark? Of the the original ones that we cut, and it didn't work. It was crispy on the outside and
soft in the middle.
Yeah, so smaller pieces are better. And we found, I mean, look at all this for three tortillas. That's more than a bag of crisps. Easy.
I'd say it's about a larger bag of Doritos.
Yeah, a large bag of Doritos, and you're getting what? For £1 for some tortilla wraps.
You get 8 wraps.
So you're getting what? Nearly enough 3 bags of Doritos.
Exactly.
For nearly £1.
Yeah.
And then you can just put whatever seasonings you want on top. So what you need to do is do not overcrowd the pan because you don't want to create moisture. You want them to crisp up. So we'll just dot one in first, see if it heats up. Yep, that's great. And I'll just add just a few. As you can see, it starts cooking straight away. I think a couple more.
No.
One more then.
Yeah.
And then
you got to turn them. But I suppose if you keep mixing it like that,
just keep mixing them.
That way the oil gets on top of it as well.
And you just keep moving them around, and you can see they're starting to puff up. So you taste tested it, Mark.
Mm-hmm.
Give your verdict to the guys.
I'd have them over a bag of Doritos any day.
Taste wise?
Well, it's like a cooked tortilla. Throw some seasoning on it and boom, you got better crisps than most companies make.
And you don't, I mean, yeah, I mean if you feel like a midnight snack, get one out.
If you had a bag of them pre-made.
Yeah, I'll do it, yeah, bag of them pre-made, yeah. To let them cool down completely, put them in an airtight container. Yeah.
If you've got any dip left over, you can fridge it, microwave it once you need it.
Yeah. There you go, snack on the go.
Or have the dip cold.
I'll do advise that you don't put the heat on too high. Just a medium heat. If you do it too high, then it's just going to go black. So we're looking for a nice brown colour, but not cremated.
You're looking for them to brown up.
Yeah, so as you can see, they're browning up lovely.
Some of them are already pretty brown underneath.
I have turned them.
Yeah, no.
I'm turning them constantly because we want them to turn constantly. We don't want them to go. I think there's a point of no return.
Yeah.
There's a point of no return. So.
Tad more.
A little tad more.
Mm-hmm.
See, there's hardly any bubbles now. So the moisture has gone. Yep. So I
that
think
should do it.
At that point, I'm going to use my sieve to drain, and then we're just going to continue to cook them till they're all done. Okay, so our last batch is nearly done. Just waiting for all the bubbles to subside, then you know that it's done because that's the moisture that's coming out of them. And they're nearly. So let's get my sieve. Now I'm going to start taking the smaller pieces. That's what I'll do, take the small out. And then by the time I took the small ones out, the larger pieces will be
nice and done.
Nice and done. Just can you
speak up a bit, Mark?
Can you hear that crisping? Well, you'll hear it in a minute. Mark, can you turn the gas off, please?
Which one is it? There it is.
The one that's on. Right. Give them a good shake. Oh, if you want a healthy version, all you need to do is cut them up exactly the same, brush them with oil, season them to your taste, and put them in the oven. So.
Nice and crisp.
Right, while they're hot, you've got to salt them. So, Mark, do you want any more?
Just a tad.
And then
garlic pepper.
Garlic pepper. And then don't do that, guys. You need to do this while it's warm. And there you have it.
They're probably cold down enough for you to just get your hands in and do it.
Dorito chips. So here you have it, guys. We are now finished. Mark, because we put the garlic on, can you do another taste test sample for me, please?
Oh, of the
chips. Just take one. Oh, so sorry.
Shall I try with the dip?
Yeah, try it with. You're going to ruin my dip. Yeah, try it with the dip. Oh, see, you should have done the other side of it. Oh, just look at that cheesy gun.
Oh my god.
See, I was just going to do that and make it look a bit pretty with a bit of chive on the top. Right, Mark?
You've done it again, Mum.
Tell me then.
Oh, so good.
Well, what's so good about it? Tell me the taste, the texture. What is it good with the bacon?
Well, the thing is, a lot of the sauce seems to have soaked into the cheese.
Okay.
So you got a hint of the sauce, all the bacon, with a nice background of cheese.
So with the chips as well, does it taste good?
I think the garlic pepper that was on the chips just takes it to another level.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm quite proud of that. That dip looks amazing.
Oh, it is.
Okay, so this is the vegetable one. This is the extremely cheesy one. We've got one there put aside for tomorrow, and then there are chips to go with our dip. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our enchilada recipe. Comment down below what you think of it, or is there any way we could improve it. And I'll catch you next time. So for now, bye bye.